In the bustling world of kitchen appliances, blenders reign supreme for their versatility and ability to whip up culinary masterpieces in seconds. But with a dizzying array of options, choosing the perfect blender can feel like navigating a smoothie storm. Fear not, fellow food enthusiasts. I've embarked on a blending odyssey to test and review the top 5 blenders of 2024, helping you find your perfect match. Number 1. Cuisinart Hurricane CBT1500P1. This powerhouse packs a punch, boasting a 1500-watt motor and a 64-ounce BPA-free Triton container. My frozen fruit smoothies were a dream. Smooth, creamy, and devoid of pesky ice chunks, the built-in self-cleaning feature was a revelation. A quick whirl with soapy water and the blade does the rest. However, the large size might not be ideal for small kitchens, and the lack of pre-programmed settings might leave beginners feeling a bit lost. Number 2. Vitamix Ascent A3500. The undisputed king of blenders, the A3500 is a dream come true for serious culinary adventurers. Its variable speed dial and 5 pre-programmed settings, smoothies, dips, hot soups, etc., allow for precise control, while the 2.2 horsepower motor tackles even the toughest ingredients with ease. My nut butters were silky smooth and frozen cocktails were a party in a glass. However, the hefty price tag and loud operation might deter budget-conscious or noise-sensitive users. Number 3. Breville BBL 920 Super Q. This sleek beast screams professional kitchen with its 1800-watt motor and 12-speed settings. The Vortex container design ensures even blending, and the LCD screen with pre-programmed settings makes it a breeze to whip up anything from nut butter to hot soup. My hummus was restaurant quality, and my hot cocoa was pure velvety heaven. However, the bulky size requires generous counter space, and the learning curve for manual settings might be steep for beginners. Number 4. KitchenAid K400. This vintage-inspired beauty is as pleasing to the eye as it is to the palate. Its 1.5 horsepower motor and 5 pre-programmed settings tackle smoothies and dips with ease. The self-cleaning cycle is a convenient bonus, and the sleek design earns bonus points for aesthetics. My smoothie bowls were Instagram-worthy, and my pesto was vibrant and flavorful. However, the smaller 60-ounce container might not be ideal for large families, and the lack of ice-crushing capabilities might be a deal-breaker for frozen treats enthusiasts. Number 5. CleanBlend Classic. This budget-friendly blender surprised me with its punch. Its 1500-watt motor and 6 pre-programmed settings handle smoothies and light-crushing tasks with ease. The BPA-free Triton container is dishwasher-safe, and the lifetime warranty is a sweet bonus. My morning protein shakes were perfectly smooth, and my frozen fruit compote was a delightful treat. However, the plastic construction feels less sturdy compared to its premium counterparts, and the lack of manual speed control might limit its versatility. The verdict: choosing the perfect blender depends on your needs and budget. The Cuisinart Hurricane is a powerful and affordable option, while the Vitamix Ascent A3500 is the ultimate performance beast. The Breville Super Q is a sleek and versatile choice for serious cooks, while the KitchenAid K400 is a charming option for smaller kitchens. The CleanBlend Classic is a budget-friendly surprise, perfect for basic blending tasks.